Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got the brand new Sony OLED TV, the XBR65A8F, and we're going to do an unboxing here for you to show you what comes inside. There is an order of operations that you do want to follow with these TVs when you're unpackaging them, so we're going to go through that process here for you in the video as well. And there's, on the top here, there's a little number 1, and that kind of shows you the steps. First thing we're going to want to do is cut the tape open, so we're going to do that and see what comes right on top of the box here. It's important to remember with TVs this size, you definitely want to have 2 people to be able to move the TV around and get it set up properly. So make sure you have somebody else there with you when you're doing the unboxing to make sure you don't damage the TV, because it's an expensive mistake to make if you do. So we've got the tape off and open up the top, and we do have some stuff up here. So first thing you see is the setup guide, and this is really going to give you instructions on how to set up the pedestal and kind of properly unbox it. We're going to go through that again in this video for you, so you can watch this video if you want to learn. So that's the paperwork on how to do that. Next we've got the remote. This is the same one that we saw on the X900F TV as well. It's got the little Google Assistant button up there at the top. Cool remote, nice features on that one. And a panel, I imagine, for the back of the television. So we'll get to that in a little bit. And we've got another little plastic panel that's going to go somewhere, I imagine, on the back of the TV or on the pedestal. Another panel. Another panel. And this looks to be something for the pedestal. We've got some screws here. It comes with M5 L14s, a bag of those, and then some metal brackets there that I assume we're going to attach to the bottom of the TV. So from there, the next step is going to be taking these clips off of the bottom, and you'll see there's a number 2 here. And those pop out pretty simply. You pinch them together, and there's 4 of those that you're going to want to take out. And then 2 more on the back here. Sorry for disappearing. And then after that, next step is going to be to, we're going to remove the whole box. Actually, we can probably take this styrofoam off first just to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to have everybody's favorite friend Tom here come and help me take the box off the top. Tom? Thank you. And then from here, we're going to show you the rest of the proper unpackaging of this TV. So hang with us and keep an eye on what we're doing here. Okay, so as we removed the box from the TV, we actually noticed that there's a bag of accessories on the back, which is just taped on. So we've got this, which is going to have your batteries, a little IR blaster, and then some instructions, and then a zip tie, so probably for some cable management. And there's also the rest of the pedestal back here, so you have to take this piece of styrofoam off on the right side as you're looking at the back of the TV, and then you're going to have this metal plate here, and this is going to be the pedestal that you use to get that all set up. So we did notice those on the back, so now stay tuned and we'll finish the rest of the unboxing here for you. All right, so we've got the TV set up on the pedestal. We've had a chance to watch a little bit on it, listen to a little bit on it, and initial thoughts are picture is stunning. Sound quality is really good, almost to the point where I don't think you need a sound bar with it for a lot of applications. But we're really excited to get to use this a little bit more, and make sure you stay tuned because we are going to have an overview on it where we go into a little bit more detail on all the specs and everything like that. So stay tuned for that. As always, we appreciate you guys checking out our channel, and make sure you subscribe so you get the updates anytime we post new content.